Hello everyone, Von Marie here and welcome to the Kat Scrappiness YouTube channel. I'm super excited to be kicking off the hop today. We have a fabulous release and video hop. So here are some of the new products that I am sharing. There is a new stencil, new stamps, dies, paper pad, and so much fun. So this is a hashtag driven hop. So it is hashtag KS Love Blooms, and I will have that in the description. And so love is in the air, and we're excited to share our first part of the Kat Scrappiness Valentine's Day release. It includes our favorite Quokka, everything you need for Valentine's Day, also some new basic nesting dies. So here I am using the new stencil, and it coordinates with the A2 Cubert quilt die, and I cut it out of white cardstock, and it was super easy to line up the stencil with the panel here. And I am using some pink and gold ink, and I thought it would be fun because it matches the new paper pads actually, because we have Love Doodles Gold and Love Doodles Black, and so I thought I would match the Love Doodles Gold, which I love. I love pink and gold and black and white together. It's just amazing. So this giveaway hop is so fun, and I will be hopping as well. So visit everyone's channel from the hashtag KS Creative Crew. Make sure you are subscribed to the Kat Scrappiness newsletter and fill out the Rafflecopter form. And you must do so. You must enter this giveaway by January 18th. The winner will be announced on the Kat Scrappiness community channel. And you will win $25 to the Kat Scrappiness store. So that is amazing because Kat Scrappiness has so many things, so many good stuff, so much stuff on my wish list. And so I'm super excited about this release. I love Valentine's Day, and I love hearts, and I love Quokkas. And Kat Scrappiness has so many fun Quokka stamps in the store. And so this Quokka, he holds flowers, and there is so many fun sentiments, and then there's coordinating dies. So I love that the dies cut out the sentiments. That means a lot. I mean, if I don't have the dies, I do try and fussy cut them, but I do love the dies that cut out the sentiments. Also, the die actually cuts out the Quokka so that he can hold things. So this Quokka holds flowers, but because there are so many Quokka stamps, he can actually hold like coffee, or he can hold a heart. So here, next on my card, I am using some pearl powder in bronze, and I'm just mixing it with some water. So I just put a little bit. There is so much in this jar, so I just put a little bit. I actually used more than I needed, and I am just mixing it so that I can do some paint splatters on my panel. And it is so sparkly, and looking at my card right now, it's really sparkly, and I love it. So I'm going to have to stock up on those pearl powders. And this bronze color is really pretty, that you can actually use it like for sand, for like a beach themed. So next I am stamping and heat embossing my Quokka and my flowers here, and I will do so by using my Kat Scrappiness embossing brush. I also use black ink, and I use some clear embossing powder, and I do stamp and heat emboss my sentiment as well, but I do that on pink cardstock. And so everything is really shiny for my card. which I love. I'm going to have to do that more often because it actually doesn't take much time to stamp and heat emboss, and I actually feel like it keeps me from going out of the lines when I'm coloring. So, and that is a plus because lately I've been going out of the lines. So I might need my eyes checked or just stop coloring in the dark. Sometimes it gets, it gets so dark these days that, that's the time that I want to color is after dinner time and it gets dark. So that's what I will have to do is just stamp and heat emboss. So I colored the Quokka, his body off camera, and I thought I would show you how I color his face since I used the same colors. And I used my E Copic markers. I think I used E00, E23, and E11. And then I did use some R12 for his ears and cheeks. And then I did use my white gel pen and I gave him some nice gel accents. And I love the size of him because he looks so great on an A2 card. I might have to try a slimline card. I think he would look super cute there too. You can do like a nice word die. There's so many word dies at Kat Scrappiness as well. And just finishing up, and then I will use the coordinating dies to cut my quokka and flowers out. And I did use pink and gold for the flowers. And coloring his nose just a little bit darker than his body and face. And just finishing up. There is also a Quokka, another Quokka stamp. I believe it is like he's holding a heart, and there is so much to love about this Valentine release. And you will see I do use this Quokkas and flowers on another video coming up soon. So stay tuned for that. So here I am showing you that I am cutting him out, and I do love that he holds the flowers. And then I am using my Love Doodles gold paper pad. It's a 6x6 paper pad, and I love that there are some solids included in this paper pad, so it makes using pattern paper so easy. You can put the solid with the pattern, and so I just love that. And so here I use that double stitched heart, and then I'm just using liquid glue to glue my quokka down and flowers. I did add some glue to the stems there, and just a little bit. You can actually put foam tape probably if you wanted it to stand out a little more. And then I am just gluing my sentiment, thanks a bunch, and then I am embellishing with my Twitter padded sprinkle mix. A lot of new sequin mixes in the Kat Scrappiness store as well, so check those out. And then I added some heart clay embellishments from that mix, so super pretty, and I will have to do a shaker card because it's a really pretty mix too. And so I hope you have fun hopping and enjoy the new release as much as I do. So I am just going to show you my card, and thank you for joining me today, and have a wonderful day.